Hello class, this is the week 4 overview video, and it's also going to go over the quizzes and the paragraph writing assignment. So first of all, week 4, Townsend Press quizzes. So here for sentence types, you're going to have a video for that. And then here for chapter 3, main ideas, supporting details in writing, it was a long chapter, so you'll have 3 videos for this. And then chapter 4, understanding the writing process for advanced writing connection, there's a PowerPoint that you're just going to watch. You can just read it through. It's basically the chapter and they summarized it. So let me jump over to the Townsend Press book and I'll show you what I mean. So the English Essentials, you know that the book is there and you'll have a video to watch. Here, there's a lesson here, but I also made those 3 videos that I just talked about that they will be embedded. They're closed captioning now. But down here, understanding the writing process, I'm not making a video of this because this just takes you through. Oh, I've already jumped ahead. Sorry, guys. I was reading it earlier. Let me get back to. So this is understanding the writing process. So if you take a look, all of this is basically you're just going to read it, but it's very self-explanatory. So it's all about free writing and asking questions or putting it to the side. Oh, excuse me. I'm clicking on the wrong stuff. So just click through. All right, and this stuff is pretty important. All right, and then the next thing I wanted to let you know was the quizzes for chapter 3 are going to be the mastery tests 1 through 4. However, and I wrote this already, since the understanding the writing process doesn't have any mastery test, exercise 3 is going to be counted as the quiz for this group instead of having the mastery tests, which are usually like all the other chapters. All right, so let me get out of here. So that's that. That's the Townsend Press. And then the paragraph writing. I wanted to start with, what is your favorite restaurant and why? So here, this is only one paragraph. Don't make it an essay, just one paragraph. How should you set it up? You should have your, excuse me, you can have introductory sentence if you want, or you can just start with a topic sentence. And then you're going to need 3 major details and 3 minor details at least, and then your closing sentence. So up here, topic sentence, 3 major details, 3 minor details. Now if you're writing and you have 3 major details, and let's say the first major detail you want to give 2 minor details, that's great. You can have as many minor details as you want. But I would stick to 3 major details because eventually we're going to turn this paragraph that you're writing now, we're going to turn it into an essay. All right, and this is due by this Sunday, September 11th. Make sure you use MLA heading. Make sure that it's double spaced. You can get 5 points bonus if you see one of the tutors. You can have a 5-point bonus added on. So if your paragraph's finished, set up an appointment, meet one of the tutors, and then you'll add 5 points added automatically to your paragraph assignment. And let me go back here. So this week seems pretty light because we had the holiday. So do your Townsend Press quizzes. Make sure you watch the videos and read the PowerPoint for the writing process. And then write the paragraph. See a tutor for revising, and you'll get 5 points. Okay? Take care, everybody. Thank you.